Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to scan your drive with WizTree step by step. If you want to find out what's using your disk space or locate large files quickly, WizTree makes scanning your drive fast and incredibly simple. So let's get started. First, open WizTree on your Windows computer. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes so the application can access your drives and perform a complete scan. Once WizTree opens, you'll see a list of your available drives near the top of the window. Next, click the drop-down menu and select the drive you want to scan. For most users, this will be the C drive, but you can also choose another internal drive, an external drive, or a USB storage device if it's connected to your computer. Make sure you've selected the correct drive before continuing. Now, click the Scan button. WizTree will begin analyzing the selected drive and display the results as soon as the scan is complete. The scan usually finishes in just a few seconds, even on large drives, making it one of the fastest disk space analyzers available. After the scan finishes, review the folder tree and file list to see which folders and files are using the most storage. You can sort the results by size, expand folders, or use the visual tree map to quickly identify large files that may be taking up valuable disk space. From there, you can open file locations, move unnecessary files, or carefully delete items you no longer need to free up storage. And that's it. You now know how to scan your drive with WizTree and quickly analyze your disk space. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.